Good day everyone! Today our topic is do, does, did plus base form of the verb. If you're interested in topics on basic English grammar and technical writing, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. This topic that we will discuss today is actually one of the common mistakes of ESL learners or even professionals. Have you heard or read the following sentences somewhere? Of course, these sentences are faulty. The focus of this discussion is on do, does, did plus main verb. Do as a verb to do has the following conjugation: do and does present, did past tense, done past participle. Take note that do is plural and does is singular. So we will focus on do as an auxiliary verb. An auxiliary verb is also termed as helping verb. In making questions, negative sentences, and emphases, they are used as do, which is plural, and does, which is singular, for present form. And did, whether it's singular or plural, is the past form. Do, does, did. As an auxiliary verb, each goes with the main verb. The main verb should always be in the base form, or simple present tense. Let's take a look at the following sentences. This is a negative statement. She does not believe in me. Does believe. Believe is in the base form of the verb. Did you change the password? It's in the form of question. Did change. Change, base form of the verb. We do know the consequences. That's emphasis. Do plus know, base form. Often mistakes fall in the use of the main verb when the auxiliary is in the past. Did, past tense. For a negative statement, let's take a look at the following examples. They did not warn us. Did, warned. Do you think that is correct? Of course not, because warned is in the past tense. We have to remember that when we use do, does, or did, we always have to make use of the base form of the verb. They did not warn us. Warn, base form. That sentence is correct. The parents did not left the baby. Did, left. Left is not base form of the verb. This one is the correct statement. The parents did not leave the baby. Leave, base form. Did they announce the interruption? Announced, past tense. Did, announced. It is incorrect. So it has to be stated this way. Did they announce the interruption? Announce, base form. Did the leader warn you? Warned, past tense. Did, warned. That is incorrect. It should be, did the leader warn you? Warn, base form. Did plus warn. I hope you're following this. I did reminded her for sure. Did, reminded. Reminded, past tense. So it's incorrect. So it has to be, I did remind her for sure. Remind, base form. Did plus remind. The manager did check the locks. Did, checked. Checked is in the past tense, so it is incorrect. The correct statement is the manager did check the locks. Check, base form. Did Check. Do, does, and did. Each one of them should always be followed by base form or present tense. I hope you will remember this so that you will avoid making similar mistakes in the future. Thank you.